Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove payment method on Doordash. So first you need to search for the Doordash. Click on that and once you open this application, here you need to click on your profile picture on the top. And once you are here, you can see different options here. You simply need to select payment methods, and if you added any payment method here, you can find that payment method here. So you simply need to select that and swipe that payment method to the left side, and here you can find an option of a delete. Click on that and your payment method will be deleted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.